Morning guys, very early start this morning. It's just turned 7 a.m. and I said while I have a small little bit of time to spare, I'll get on with the flooring. I'm about 2/3 of the way there. One second now, I'll come around the other side and show it to you. I have my insulation all down. The insulation actually dried really well. So it's actually coming together really nicely. I'm actually going to leave it full width here for now, because I'm not sure is there going to be the kitchen, how far up the kitchen is going to come. I can always trim off this later on to suit the size I need. Whereas this edge here, I will finish the floor here on this side, because obviously with the step going in, there'll also be a bed storage area going in here, so there will be a little bit come off of it. I'm not too sure exactly how it's going to pan out yet, so I will cut that as and when I need to. But guys, there you go. There's the floor now, 2/3 of the way finished. So next job now, we'll get this thing finished, get it all battened in and bolted down and everything sorted, and then I can concentrate probably on windows, get them done first before anything else gets done again. Okay guys, see you later. Bye bye.